Ujjain, described as one of the seven most sacred cities in ancient Indian texts. Sprinkled with hundreds of temples and places of historical importance, the city witnesses a constant footfall of devotees throughout the year. But one place has remained the first port of call for all: the Mahakaleshwar temple, dedicated to Lord Shiva. This is one of the 12 Jyotirlingas, the most important and revered temples dedicated to Lord Shiva in the world.
Mahakal is big time, eternity. Now the temple of Mahakal is located here in Ujjain and located as a specific place on earth. In our tradition, Ujjain is supposed to be the navel of the universe.
जब से इस धरा पर भगवान महाकालेश्वर की
Ever since Lord Mahakaleshwar appeared on this earth in the form of light, this place, Avantika, has undergone various name changes over time, but later it was called Avantika. After Avantika, it came to be known as Ujjaini.
नाम से जाना जाता है। तो ये प्राचीन
This is an ancient heritage site where Lord Mahakal killed a demon called Dushyant, established righteousness and dharma.
और यहाँ दुष्यंत करके राक्षस का समापन किया और धर्म की स्थापना की।
It's 4 a.m. in the morning, and while the dawn is yet some distance away, the crowds have started building up to have a glimpse of the Mahakal. The devotees make a beeline to have a darshan or see the sacred Shivalinga. It is the morning ritual which evokes maximum interest. It is a special form of prayer called the Bhasmarti, or the ash ritual, performed only at the Mahakaleshwar. It involves sprinkling of sacred ash over Shivalinga towards the conclusion of a strenuously long ritual. The majestic combination of the Bhasmarti and the Mahakal form of Shiva casts a unique and indescribable aura of spirituality, encompassing everyone present in an emphatic and divine embrace. One just can't help but remain mesmerized and totally engrossed in the entire spiritual ambience. The very name Mahakaleshwar signifies the Lord of Time, described in early Puranic texts as the protector of the region and master of time.
भगवान महाकालेश्वर दक्षिण मुखी है।
Lord Mahakaleshwar is south facing, he controls time or death. There are two types of Kal, or the negative power. One is called time, the other is called death. The king of death is Yamaraj. Both death and time are controlled by Lord Shiva. Therefore, the main idol of Lord Mahakal is south facing, and hence his form is considered Dakshin Mukhi.
दक्षिण की तरफ है और इसीलिए इनका स्वरूप दक्षिण स्वरूप माना जाता है।
Mahakal and Ujjain are inalienable. Temple priests claim their history goes as far as the beginning of time. The priests claim that they have written records that fetch their association with the Mahakal as far as 2500 years. While Bhasmarti is very fascinating and captivating indeed, many other temples in Ujjain do have their own unique rituals. This is the Kal Bhairav temple. The deity is associated with the Mahakal and in fact is called his gatekeeper. Among its most famous offerings is liquor. Devotees bring liquor to the temple and Kal Bhairav duly accepts the offerings.
ये विष के समान है।
This is like poison, and Lord Shankara has authority over poison. And Kal Bhairava is the fiercest form of Lord Shiva. This is why liquor is offered to the Lord Kal Bhairava. So we offer our voices through the liquor to the Lord and request him to give us good things.
और अच्छी चीजें हमको दे दो।